Oh God. Muffin. Oh, where are my pegs? That is not good. Ow! Oh my God. Everyone's aiming for my head today. Hit the net. Quick little shutout so far. Not a big deal. Oh, Moser ruins the shutout. Berkey's down here trying to get some camera time. Oh no. Oh, what a save. First shot, belly smokes me in the shoulder. I know, he got his license a week ago. And he's driving like a fast car. I saw you down my end trying to get a feature.
Bring his skates that hard on over and backs all year, we'll bring them out all year.
Whatever. It's like a swimming pool out here. Ow! Oh my God, that was terrible. That go in? This has to be the hottest rink in Nova Scotia. Ah, that's slashing, but we won't talk about it. Poutine before a practice is the worst decision ever. Am I allowed to chirp your pink whistle? We just talked about shooting the puck. They come back and pass 4 times. Oh my God. Oh. Why don't you come shoot on me?
Not today.
Why?
I don't know.
There's gotta be a reason.
You're not mic'd up, are you?
Why are you running away from me? Berkey's always all over me in practice now. I got the mic on, he's running. I tell you for free, a poutine before practice is the worst idea ever.
Dude, I used to muck down airs before practice. I played great.
Go knipe. Oh, what a pass by Ben. Big dump. Yeah, it's all yours. Ow. Offside. Yep, thank you. No one's in front of me. Okay, now you are. Oh my God. Thanks for sticking around for practice. Hope to see you at the game.